That's the fastest the family's ever got in a car. It's pulling teeth, but we're in the car within 1 hour. Record-breaking time. My wife is ready. She was giving us stuff this morning. Avi, Aiden, ready to go?
Yes!
Let's go pick these apples. Good morning. It is Saturday, and we're supposed to have a hurricane here in Southern California. We don't know what tonight's going to entail, but we at least want to be able to get out and do something productive on a Saturday. We're gonna bring you guys along the journey. I used to apple pick all the time when I was a kid back in New York. My wife never apple picked before, the kids never apple picked, so it's gonna be a great experience, and we're bringing you guys along the journey. All right, we are here. This is our first time coming. Hello. All right, so this is our first experience here. So they only have a certain apple picking this year. It's called the Gravestine. So the gentleman shared that it is some of the best apples for like applesauce, baking, and we're gonna go through it.
How do you know when it's good?
They pick it in. Okay.
Is it good, Nana?
How did we get 2 of one?
Get the big ones, not the baby one.
Don't throw it on the floor, honey.
More than big. 5.
You want to pick an apple? Yeah, my Nana's here for the apples just to eat. All right, so this is pretty epic. So this is what I remember as a kid coming apple picking. And are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Tell me how much of a good time you're having.
I'm doing good. Because I have 9 apples.
That's a good one. See? All right, keep coming, Avi. No, that's too small. Would it come over this way?
Oh, what about?
No, that has a red thing on it.
And it looks getting really good.
Hey, look, guys, there's more on that side too.
Look at this one. This one.
That's good. Go ahead.
Oh, this is a really good one. Now put this.
Cheers.
No.
Cheers.
Here, Aiden, I got you a good one.
Go.
Get it, baby.
Yay!
No. Right, here we are, babe. Here we are. Okay, excuse me, guys.
It's a orange apple.
Javier. Yeah, these are all tiny on this side. Yeah, this side is all little. These are tiny ones on this side, but we're gonna see how it tastes. This is why this is my favorite apple. Oh my God. Okay, babe, so how was your first apple picking experience?
It was cute.
It was cute, so that's it? That's all you got? All right. You saw your kids picking the apples for the first time. What was your initial reaction?
That they're cute.
All right, guys, on to the next show. Okay, Aiden, how was your first apple picking experience?
Amazing.
All right.
It was good.
When you first grabbed your first apple and took a bite, how did it taste?
Good. Yeah. Good. It's good.
Potty.
Okay, Nana, how was your first? How was it? Was it good?
Good. Come on in.
Let me see. Yeah, apple from the tree today?
I found my apple that day.
Good.
What watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.